Is Cambridge really all bicycles, posh students, and people pretending to understand Latin? Today we're finding out as we stay at the Novotel Cambridge North, jump on the train into Cambridge, explore some of the city's most famous spots, and finish the day at the legendary Flatiron Cambridge. And honestly, by the end of this trip, I may have accidentally fallen in love with Cambridge. Or maybe it was just the steak. Check-in was quick, the lobby smelled expensive, and the facilities are genuinely impressive too, with a pool, gym, sauna, and restaurant downstairs. The hotel's location is also ridiculously convenient because it's literally next door to the Cambridge North railway station, which means no stressful city centre parking and no driving around medieval streets designed for horses. The staff did something really thoughtful. Because it was our wedding anniversary, they upgraded us to an executive room, which was a lovely surprise. When we walked in, the bed was covered in rose petals, there were mini chocolates waiting for us, and for a moment we genuinely felt like luxury travel influencers instead of two people arguing over who packed the phone charger. Now usually, when hotels say luxury contemporary experience, what they actually mean is grey walls and a kettle that sounds like a lawnmower. But this place genuinely felt smart. The room itself looked fantastic, modern, spacious, really clean, and definitely felt like an upgrade. Unfortunately, there was one major problem. Our room was right next to the lift shaft, and all night long, all we could hear was level 2, door opening, level 3, door closing, over and over and over again. Honestly, by about 2 AM, I felt like I personally worked for the lift. Overall, the room was very clean and featured a very thought out bathroom with an exceptional shower. The following morning we ventured down for breakfast. Again, the lobby was very clean and there was a good range of food on offer. While it looked quite appetizing, unfortunately most of the items on display were either lukewarm or cold. However, that didn't stop me from attempting to eat it. The train journey from Cambridge North into Cambridge took 6 minutes and it was relatively easy. When we arrived in Cambridge, there were plenty of Ubers that could have taken us into the town centre, but we decided to take a 15-minute stroll. Immediately you can feel the atmosphere is different here. It's historic but lively, relaxed but busy. There are bicycles absolutely everywhere. Now if you've never seen punting before, it's basically someone standing on a boat pushing a giant stick into the river while trying not to fall in. It looks elegant until you realise most tourists would last about 11 seconds before ending up in the water. It was a glorious sunny afternoon when we visited, so we took some time out and sat by the riverbank and just watched the world go by. What a wonderful way to relax. After walking around all day, it was finally time for what I'd secretly been looking forward to the most, dinner at Flatiron Cambridge. And if you know steak, you already know where this is going. The atmosphere here is brilliant. Relaxed, busy, great lighting, great music, and the smell when the food arrives should honestly be bottled and sold as a candle. We ordered the famous Flatiron steak, sides, fries. The steak was perfectly cooked, loads of flavour, and somehow still reasonably priced, which feels almost illegal in 2026. So would I recommend Cambridge? I absolutely would. Please take time to visit this wonderful city. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more.